Hey everybody, here's another quick update. I haven't really shown you the front garden, although there's not much to see here in the front flower bed, other than the elephant ears. I overwintered these and covered them with mulch. So like in the backyard I have them in raised containers and all that kind of thing, but if you live in a warm enough climate where you don't get too harsh of the winters, you can go ahead to just put them in the ground, keep them there all year long. You don't have to pull them up, and then they will come back up. So lots of plants coming up, lots of room to put plants in here. Got to watch out for the fire ants. They will bite you in Texas. But anyways, here's some more elephant ears here as well. So they're come up. So yeah, basically I have the water irrigation coming in to the front. So yeah, we'll be putting some more flowers and cleaning this up a little bit. But the elephant ears and those type of plants, they're starting to come back up from last year, so that's nice to see. Just walking over here too, you can see the mulch. I made a dent in the mulch, so I still got more to bring back and use. But the only problem is with the mulch on this batch, the company had these logs in the back of the truck, and so as they were emptying it and I saw all the nice wood chips, of course the big logs here were popping out. It's like, oh, what am I going to do with these logs? Now of course, you know, if you're an art person, you might say I could turn that into a table or a bench or something out of it. And this guy was so big that it took me and a neighbor to kind of even move it out of the way. So I think what we're going to do with these logs is chop them up. Neighbor can use them for firewood and that kind of thing. But the rest of this mulch I'm going to take in the back or spread out here in front. But this area that you see is going to be where the hibiscus go. Hibiscus grows so big and so strong and so tall that putting them next to the house didn't give us an opportunity to put any sort of flowers. So I'm going to put them here, and that's why I put the mulch down, because they're going to all grow here, and I'll move these guys out of the way. Although I could make kind of a Stonehenge thing with these these stumps. I could make them in a little circular pattern until I get rid of them. But anyways, that's kind of what's going on here. If you come over here between the raindrops, you might like doing grilling like I do, and I just bought a new grill. And this new grill is a Weber. It's a Spirit 2. I think it's the E320. I think that's what it is. I'm heating it up because I'm going to grill some pork chops. But I just wanted to say that, you know, if you are thinking about getting a grill, you know what? Spend the money on a good grill. You will, you know, it will pay for itself in the many years of service. Weber makes a good grill. This one is big enough for our little family. It's not the largest by any means, but it has a nice grate inside. It was easy to put together. I put it all together myself. It took me probably an hour of just following the instructions. It's a real great little grill. The great thing is I can buy the temperature probe, and it'll hook right in here and work with the phone as an app, so you can tell the temperature of the food. And how much gas do I have left? It has this neat little thing that is based on the way that it sits. Then you can tell by the gauge how much gas you have. So I tell you, I had a grill before, and it was one of those, you know, just made in China, kind of a cheap grill. I used it for about 2 seasons, and then it just started to fall apart. The grates weren't great. So buy yourself a good grill, people. A Weber probably do you good. And yeah, have a good summer grilling. So I got my new toy there. Anyways, yeah, that's the garden update, little grill update, and you know, you got all summer to make your garden and make things nice and move logs out of the way. So yeah, you better hurry up and grill before it starts to rain. We had a little bit of sun, but it looks like here comes the rest of the back end of that rain pattern. So time to grill and eat and get out of the rain before it starts. All right, folks, we'll talk to you later. Bye.